I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device. This is essential. Look up the serial or IMEI in Settings or on the device and locate the original receipt or Apple invoice. Once done, make sure you have the Apple ID email, any recovery phone numbers, and a government ID ready. Begin account recovery now by attempting a password reset or using I forgot. Apple.com. These first actions often restore access without service intervention, and they show Apple you've already attempted standard recovery. Next, you move into the technical recovery steps. Go to I forgot and enter the Apple ID. Follow two-factor prompts if available, and use your trusted device or phone number to approve sign-in. If you lost 2FA access, start Apple's account recovery. This can take days, so provide accurate contact info. Once recovery is in progress, make sure you monitor email and SMS for verification codes, and avoid creating multiple requests which delays processing. If recovery fails, prepare to contact Apple support with proof of purchase. Finally, request official removal through Apple support or an in-person Genius Bar visit. Show the receipt, device serial/IMEI, and matching ID. Apple will verify ownership and, if satisfied, remove activation lock or reset the account. Once done, restore the device and sign in with your credentials. Troubleshooting tip: if Apple cannot verify proof of purchase, you cannot legally remove Apple ID protection. Do not use third-party bypass tools. Instead, gather additional documentation or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.